Today we're going to see some space debris kill the reputation of SpaceX, NASA and the globe. For the last week I've been bashing on space using the space debris problem, what was shown, the amount of supposed space debris, the ridiculous speeds it's supposedly travelling at, and highlighting how ridiculous space stations, satellites and rocketry travelling and orbiting amongst that mess really is. And it would seem someone at NASA, or possibly SpaceX, maybe even Elon himself, has been listening, as we get this desperate bit of damage control pumped out. A historic first, supposedly, of a near miss of space debris nearly hitting a spacecraft. I love the timing of this. You enjoying the channel, are you guys? So let's have a look at this footage, which all it does is expose the charade that is space and highlights the desperation of these people. I love the fact that we're going to get to see some CGI space debris kill the reputation of NASA, SpaceX and the globe. We'll watch it at several different speeds and see it in all its terrible CGI globe destroying space bashing glory. Let's have a look.
10 seconds to spacecraft separation. We should hear words from the core here in Mission Control Hawthorne once we have successful separation.
Of course, we've got two cameras here. We're not interested in the Astrodames or the space farmers on the left. We're only interested in the camera on the right, which essentially is the camera inside the rocket filming the separation here, which is taking place. And what we're going to see is this supposed space debris coming from our right to our left. It looks out of whack anyway, but then you see its interaction going across the face of this booster that has just been jettisoned. It's terrible. And then it actually seemingly goes through the rocket where the camera's actually on filming this. We'll watch it at normal speed and then we'll slow it down in all its terrible glory. Here it comes.
Dragon separation control. Dragon.
Just pay attention as well to the silver, I don't know, tin foil on the top right corner. The interaction of this space debris as it passes through that is terrible. Very glitchy, CGI-like. When the space debris passes the booster that's been jettisoned, the interaction between those two is terrible. And then when it gets to our rocket, bottom left, it actually goes straight through the rocket.
Dragon separation control.
Now we're going to have it in slow-mo and then I'm going to play it in super slow-mo. But watch the interaction top right with the silver foil inspired Kit Kat loving spacecraft design, whatever that is. Then the interaction between the booster and then of course it goes through the craft we're on filming it. Terrible interaction there. Just its route as well looks out of whack. Get ready for this interaction with the booster. Not great. And then look, goes straight through the craft. Straight through it. Let's watch it once more in super slow motion. This supposed bit of space debris having a terrible interaction with the jettisoned booster and then seemingly going straight through the rocket that the camera is on that is filming this, thus giving the game away, highlighting the desperation of these people, exposing SpaceX, exposing NASA, exposing the International Space Station, and of course highlighting the absurdity of the globe. So let's look now at this famous bit of CGI space debris. Bring the curtain down on the whole charade. Take it away. As if the interaction between the booster and the supposed bit of space debris wasn't bad enough. the actual space debris flying straight through the spacecraft itself was kind of a bit of a rookie mistake, guys, and has just exposed the whole charade. Elon, if you're listening, give it up, bud. It's clearly ridiculous. The curtain is coming down. Look, your CGI space debris has just gone straight through your rocket, mate. Have a word with your pals at the special effects department. Tell them the game's up. It's time to pull the curtain on all of this nonsense. Essentially, a CGI bit of space debris has just killed the ISS, SpaceX, and the globe. Love it.